Today I am making bean vegetable soup. You can enjoy this perfect meal for lunch and dinner with rice or bread. The main ingredients are mixed beans and vegetables. Soak 16 beans overnight. For vegetables, I have a leek onion, tomato, capsicum, ginger, and garlic. I am using a blender to make a paste of all the vegetables. For spices, I'm using salt, cumin seeds, cumin powder, red chili flakes, red chili powder, and turmeric. Cooking directions: heat oil over medium heat in a pressure cooker just until warm and add cumin seeds first and then vegetable paste. Fry it for a few minutes. Add soaked beans. Mix it well and simmer it for another few minutes. Add a cup of vegetable broth or any other broth. Add 2 cups of water. Then I pressure cook on medium for 6 whistles or 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it stand. Don't open the pressure cooker for another 15 minutes. Your perfect bean vegetable soup is ready to serve. Garnish with fresh cilantro. Enjoy.